Good morning, hello, and welcome to what would be another season that will see the birth of a lot of youngsters. It's the IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy 2024. Match number 1, India A versus India B. And we come to you live from the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium here in Bengaluru.
Shubman will spill the coin.
Heads.
That's the call.
Ball first.
Aggressive field set, 3 slips in the gully. Swal on strike. Straight away runs. He said no, but he will get some runs. In fact, get a boundary to begin the Duleep Trophy, the domestic season. Glorious shot. When the left-hander plays it, it looks so very special, elegant.
ये शॉट करा रहा है, थोड़ा सा रूम था, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया जायसवाल ने.
Another cracking good shot.
Yeah, you play the good balls out, you'll get a few freebies, and that one will be tucked beautifully. Very fine to fine leg. Oh! Very, very unlike Abhimanyu Ishwaran. He will be absolutely distraught, having done all the hard work, bit of a brain fade from him.
Khalil back for a second spell, and this is how Jaiswal is greeted in.
4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पर, क्योंकि ना तो डीप में खिलाड़ी है और ना ही कोई अवसर है किसी खिलाड़ी को ये गेंद रोकने का.
God, what a catch! That's his favorite shot, and sometimes that can lead to dismissal. This is a stunning catch taken with no reaction from the fielder at all. It's played the uppercut.
A little bit of glove onto that one. And that brings us to the end of the first session of day 1. The bails are off the groove, which usually means the end of the session. They play hard, they play fair, but once you've broken for lunch, they're good friends. They all play for India, India A, IPL teams together.
अवेश खान शुरुआत करेंगे.
Solid defense to start the afternoon session. 30 overs have been bowled.
Excitement. And the finger goes up. That's the end of Sarfaraz Khan. Avesh Khan strikes. Will he go up?
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets umpire's call, original decision is out. Kapan, you can stay with the original decision. I'll let you know when you're on screen. You're on screen.
तीसरा झटका इंडिया बी को 67 for 3.
Hits of the mark in style. Driven down the ground in style. That's a lovely blow, that.
Mushir Khan making use of the fuller length delivery.
Going over the top as he allured the fielder. What an effort! Terrific catch this by Shubman Gill. He was running towards the ball and he was aware of the importance of getting rid of Rishabh Pant. And it's a fast bowler. What had happened there? Nitish Kumar Reddy was left wondering once he heard the ball go and hit the top of off stump.
You need to have enough to get to the boundary. Oh, the fielder gives it up.
भारी किनारा तो लगा है, लेकिन गैप में भी गया गेंद. 4 रन मिलेंगे. अरे मिस कर गए, उल्टा गेंद थी और आउट हो सकता है यहाँ पे. आकाशदीप कह रहे हैं कि पांव लगा है उनका. और वॉशिंगटन सुंदर क्रीज से बाहर थे काफी.
So I can see a slight deflection as the ball passes under the boot. It has touched. This is way outside the crease. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Yeah, conclusive evidence he has. And Washington Sundar, another man dismissed.
Gone. Superb delivery from Khalil. Too good for Sai Kishore. He does have the ability to hang around, but not this time. Taken beautifully in the slips by KL Rahul.
Played away fine, and he will find the boundary as well. There are two men out in the deep, but still Mushir finds the gap and picks up another boundary. Nicely played. And that runs away of the edge. Will it beat the fielder? And the ball wins the race. Reaching out for it, gets a thickish edge, and that'll run away to the boundary as well. And that's a well-played innings from Mushir. Superb half century coming under trying circumstances, and he is fighting a lone battle there. A very good knock from the young man. Bit of movement, end of a maiden over. 124 for 7 India B as the umpires whip the bails off and say it's time for tea. It's been a good session for the India A side. They picked up 5 wickets. They walked out with a purpose, rectified a few things in the second session, and that's brought them fantastic success. They had a bit of luck as well.
Shivam Dubey from the far end, at the north end. Good afternoon to
Good afternoon, Liz.
everybody's stunned. Delightful shot, and a great one to watch and a difficult one to play. Four more. Again in a great position. Using the depth of the crease to really good effect, gives him the extra bit of time.
That's fiercely hit. No chance for the long off fielder.
हाथ खोलने का मौका दीजिए तो सही. मेरे को भी आते हैं रन्स बनाने. ये नवदीप सैनी ने बोला है मुशीर खान को. चलिए अफसर, थोड़ा सा लगा जरूर था कि शायद मिल जाए फील्डर को.
The great shots like this, with great confidence and pluck. This time using his feet and going over.
करारा प्रहार है ये कुलदीप यादव की इस गेंद पर.
He slapped that away, hasn't timed it too well, but he'll still get a boundary. Going with the single. And I think he's made the ground. It's a brilliant 100 from the number 3. Umpires have referred it, but I think he's safe. Brother happy. Sarfraz.
यहाँ मौका था सैनी के पास और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से हाथ खोले उन्होंने.
Nicely defended, and that could be the end of the day's play. Well, the umpires are clipping off the bails. What a magnificent partnership. India A won the toss and decided to field first. Things were going absolutely brilliantly for them. They were 94 for 7 at one stage when these two got together. They've had a partnership of 108 in 212 deliveries. In the last session, the most fruitful session for India B.